In this lesson, we will learn how to count and play with the beats. The most fundamental beats that you need to know are your quarter notes and your eighth notes. In order to count your quarter notes, you will have to count 1, 2, 3, 4. Pretty simple. So count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now for the eighth notes, we will be dividing the distance between 1 and 2 into two parts. 2 and 3 into two parts, 3 and 4 into two parts, and same between 4 and 1. So we will be having 8 different counts. So instead of counting 1, 2, 3, 4, we will count 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. There will be a and between each of your quarter notes. This way you will get 8 different beats and it's known as your 8 notes. Let's see how to play it on a djembe. We will go with a very simple exercise where we are playing the bass on your every alternate quarter notes and your tone on every alternate quarter note. So we will be playing bass on 1 and 3, tone on 2 and 4. This is how it goes. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we will be adding one note in between. That is, between 1 and 2, I will be counting an and. Between 2 and 3, I will be counting an and same goes on. So in order to play the and, I will be playing one extra note with my left hand. A bass followed by a bass with the left and a tone followed by a tone with the left. This is how it goes. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Let's play quarter note followed by 8 notes. So 1, 2, 3, go.